Let's see the reverse curves in order to make the mini exercise number 10 and then the final work about the toothpaste. For this exercise, we are going to draw a curve by connecting the point of tangency with tangent arcs. We have a broken line, and each vertex of my line will be a point of tangency. I recommend you to put numbers or letters to identify each vertex, each center, and even if you want, each segment. A, B, C, D, E. I have 5 segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which was the minimum I asked you for making the exercise. For these reverse curves, we are going to use 2 fundamental properties of tangencies, which are these 2 ones. Do you remember them? If I have 2 tangent circumferences, the centers will be always in line, and also they will be always in line with the point of tangency. And this one, when I have a chord of a circumference, if I make the perpendicular bisector, the perpendicular bisector will pass always through the center of my circumference, okay? Always. With these 2 fundamental properties, we are going to do our reverse curve, because each segment will be a chord of a circumference. But I'm not going to draw the whole circumference. I'm going to choose only to draw the upper part or the bottom part of it. Okay? I start deciding if I want to draw the upper part or the bottom part. But then I can only draw one of them. Normally you will have to alternate the direction of the arcs, up, down, up, down, up. But in some cases, depending on the length of the segments and also of the angles, you will have to use 2 consecutive arcs in the same direction, up, down, down, maybe, okay, depending on that. Let's start by applying this to our first segment. We need to draw the perpendicular bisector. And for the first segment, okay, the first one, I choose where I want to put my center. I decided to put it here. And I'm going to draw my arc, my first arc, from the center to the point of tangency. And also for the first one, I decide if I want to draw the upper arc or the bottom arc. And I want to draw the upper one. That. Okay, next segment, B. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisectors are in blue. And I know that my center will be along this perpendicular bisector. But now I cannot choose where, because I need to apply this. The centers are in line with the point of tangency. This center and the next center, which will be along the perpendicular bisector, needs to be in line with the point of tangency. In this case is number 2. So I join the center and the point of tangency, and where this line crosses with the perpendicular bisector, I have my new center, O2. I am going to draw my arc now from point of tangency to point of tangency. In this case, I need to alternate, and I need to draw the down part of the circle. Next segment, C, perpendicular bisector, to find where is going to be my new center, at least one part of it. Where the center and the point of tangency are aligned with my new center. My new center will be along here. The last center I have is O2, and the next point of tangency is number 3. I join O3 with O2 with point of tangency number 3, and where they cross, I have my next center, O3, and I draw my arc from point of tangency to point of tangency. Next segment, D, again, perpendicular bisector. New center will be along it, and the last center with the next point of tangency to find my new center, O3 with point of tangency number 4. Here I have my new center, O4, and I draw my arc. You see, I'm alternating until now, but the next cube I won't alternate. Okay, this is down, and here I know that I will have to draw the down part again, because if I draw the upper part, this won't be a cube, this will be a broken line again, this will be a vertex, and I need a smooth line, so I need to draw the down part, okay, the bottom part. Perpendicular bisector. This is quite mechanic. Once you have understand how to build it, it's always doing the same. And I join my last center with the next point of tangency, number 5. Here I have my new center, O5, and I draw my arc. Remember, I told you that I need to draw the bottom part in order to make it smooth. And there you have the line. You see, it's a smooth cube. It's a smooth cube. I don't have any broken vertex. It is continuous. That is what you need to get with this exercise. Always, if you want to use markers, pens, or whatever, use the compass adapter, please. Don't do it by hand. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. See you.